Ready to let a robot do your cleaning? We've tested the top Roombas of 2025, so you don't have to. Stick around to find out which one truly sucks, in the best way possible. Before we dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, give a thumbs up or down, and let us know in the comments which Roomba you think is best for your home. Alright, let's jump right in. Number 1, the iRobot Roomba Plus 505 Combo Robot Vacuum. If you're looking for a robot vacuum that actually delivers on its promises, the iRobot Roomba Plus 505 Combo is one of the best we've tested this year. Our tester, Annie, a busy mom juggling a toddler and a dog, put this Roomba through its paces in her own home. She was genuinely impressed by its powerful suction, effective mopping, and how well it picked up pet hair. Whether it was tackling carpets or hard floors, the Roomba Plus 505 Combo handled it all with ease, reaching into corners and navigating over thresholds and around obstacles without any issues. The mopping feature was a real standout. With 70 times more suction than previous models, the Roomba Plus 505 left Annie's floors clean, dry, and streak-free. She also noticed that pet hair never tangled in the brush, a huge plus for anyone with furry friends at home. Convenience is a big selling point here. This Roomba empties its own bin, refills with clean water, and disposes of dirty water for up to 75 days. That means you can basically forget about vacuuming for months at a time. Annie's only minor complaints were that the spot cleaning mode was a bit inconsistent, and the app could be glitchy at times. But overall, the Roomba Plus 505 Combo was so effective, she actually retired her old cordless vacuum. If you want a reliable, hands-off cleaning solution that really works, the Roomba Plus 505 Combo is hard to beat. Number 2, the iRobot Roomba 675. Not every Roomba comes with a hefty price tag. The iRobot Roomba 675 proves you can get solid performance without breaking the bank. This affordable robot vacuum is Wi-Fi connected and easily controlled through the iRobot app, so you can schedule cleanings or start a session from anywhere. No need to hunt for a remote. The Roomba 675 features a sleek black and gray design with a sturdy built-in handle for easy carrying. While it doesn't have advanced mapping or radar, you can set up virtual walls to keep it out of certain areas. Since it lacks mapping, you'll need to move it manually between rooms if you want to target specific spaces. It uses 2 brush rolls, one with rubber flaps and one with bristles, to boost its cleaning power. In our tests, it handled debris like Cheerios and kitty litter well, but it picked up only about 74% of pet hair, making it less ideal for homes with heavy shutters. The auto-adjust cleaning head adapts to different floor heights, and iRobot offers plenty of replacement parts so you can repair rather than replace your Roomba 675. For budget-friendly, basic cleaning, it's a solid choice that gets the job done. Number 3, the iRobot Roomba S9 Plus. The iRobot Roomba S9 is the brand's first D-shaped robot vacuum, and it's easily one of the best we've ever tested. The S9 cleans with near-human precision, focusing on areas that need it most and skipping those that don't. The S9 Plus model adds a self-emptying base, so all you need to do is replace the vacuum bag when it's full. No more daily emptying. Control is simple through the iRobot app, where you can view detailed maps, name rooms, and set up no-go zones. The S9 Plus supports scheduled cleanings for specific rooms or entire floors, and its imprint smart mapping can store up to 10 different floor plans, perfect for multi-level homes or anyone who wants total control. In our tests, the Roomba S9 scored perfectly on both hardwood and carpet, picking up kitty litter, dog hair, and even Cheerios with ease. Its D-shaped design allows it to clean thoroughly along baseboards and in corners, making it a top pick for pet owners and anyone who wants a truly deep clean. The main drawbacks? The S9 Plus is definitely on the pricey side, and it can get loud, especially when the clean base empties. Still, for powerful, intelligent cleaning, the Roomba S9 Plus is hard to beat and absolutely worth considering if you want the best of the best. Number 4. The iRobot Roomba J9 Plus Combo. iRobot's flagship. Roomba J9 Plus Combo is expensive, but it delivers impressive vacuuming and mopping for homes with both carpets and hard floors. Its unique retractable mop design folds over the top like a convertible roof, making sure not a drop of water touches your carpets. However, you'll need to remove and clean the mop pad after each use, which is a small trade-off for the peace of mind. In our test, the J9 Plus easily picked up nearly all the Cheerios and kitty litter on both surfaces. It excelled at removing pet hair from carpets, collecting 93%, a spot where most robot vacuums struggle. However, our tester, Hunter, found it less effective on hard floors, where it gathered about 80% of pet hair, but often pushed it into clumps. The J9 Plus uses onboard AI and a camera for advanced obstacle avoidance and dirt detection, optimizing each cleaning pass. Its Smart Scrub feature even applies extra pressure when needed, mimicking a human touch for stubborn messes. If your home is a mix of hardwood and carpet, the Roomba J9 Plus Combo stands out as a top choice for thorough, intelligent cleaning. Just be ready for the premium price tag. Number 5. The iRobot Roomba i3 Plus. The iRobot Roomba i3 Plus is the most affordable Roomba with a self-emptying base, making it a convenient choice for hands-off cleaning. You won't need to empty the dustbin after every run. Just let the base handle it for you. In our reviewer Megan's test, the Roomba i3 Plus performed well on most tasks, but struggled with pet hair on carpet, picking up only 58%. For comparison, the Roomba 675 managed an impressive 99% in the same test. You can control the i3 Plus through the iRobot app or with Alexa and Google Assistant, allowing you to set cleaning schedules and connect it to your smart home. However, unlike the pricier Roomba i7 Plus and S9 Plus, the i3 Plus doesn't offer advanced mapping or the ability to target specific rooms. If you want to clean individual rooms using the app or voice commands, you'll need to look at higher-end models. Still, for everyday cleaning and the convenience of a self-emptying base, the Roomba i3 Plus is a solid performer that saves you time and effort after every use. So, which Roomba is the best? If you want the ultimate cleaning powerhouse, the iRobot Roomba S9 Plus is our top pick for 2025. Unmatched suction, smart mapping, and hands-free convenience. You really can't go wrong. Let us know in the comments which Roomba you'd choose. And don't forget to subscribe for more honest reviews and smart home tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.